Today we're installing the Model 3 Panoramic Roof Ambient Light Kit. Inside the box, you'll find 4 ambient light strips, 1 power harness, a USB hub, a remote control, double-sided tape, and a trim tool. That's everything needed for the installation. First, apply the double-sided tape to each light strip. The kit includes 2 long strips and 2 short strips. 1 long and 1 short strip go on each side of the vehicle. There's one important detail to pay attention to. On the driver's side, the white lead strip should face toward the passenger side, and on the passenger side, the white lead strip should face toward the driver's side. Also, make sure the double-sided tape is attached to the top side of each strip, since that side will stick directly to the glass roof. Once all 4 strips are prepped with tape, we're ready to install. Start on the passenger side rear section using one of the long light strips. Line it up in the correct position. Peel back a small section of the adhesive backing and tuck the strip into the headliner gap. Make sure the LED light section stays visible. Continue peeling the backing while pressing the strip firmly into place. Next, route the light strip wire across the center roof support toward the front. Install the driver's side rear long strip the same way. Then, route the driver's side wire across the roof, support over to the passenger side strip area, and feed both wires toward the front together. Now take the rear strip wiring and route it forward along the edge of the front glass panel. Carefully pry open the headliner trim and door seal. Then, feed the 2 rear strip wires out toward the side of the vehicle. Next, install the front driver's side strip using one of the short light strips. Line it up, peel back part of the adhesive, and continue installing it into the headliner gap while peeling away the rest of the backing. Route the driver's side front strip wire along the headliner trim toward the passenger side rear strip wires. Before installing the front passenger side strip, make sure to feed both driver's side wires out together first. This helps fully hide all the wiring once installation is complete. Then install the front passenger side short strip the same way. Finally, route all 4 light strip wires through the gap inside the door seal toward the dashboard area. Remove the dashboard side trim panel, organize the wiring neatly, and reinstall the door seal. Open the glove box and grab the power harness. Connect one side to all 4 light strip wires. Then plug the other side into the USB hub. Remove the factory dashcam USB drive from the glove box and plug it into the USB hub as well. Then, plug the hub into the glove box USB port. At this point, the panoramic roof ambient lights should power on normally. Tuck away and hide all remaining wiring neatly Then reinstall the dashboard side trim panel and door seal. And that's it. The Model 3 Panoramic Roof Ambient Light Kit is fully installed.